Pro.
Welcome back to DexTech Pro, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you a feature that could give your smartphone a boost: memory extension or virtual RAM. Are you curious to know what it is, or why you should consider it, or even whether it is right for you or not? Then stick around till the end, because this could just change how you use your smartphone. Let's start with the basics. Imagine your smartphone as a desk. The more RAM you have, the bigger your desk is. It means more room for multitasking and handling demanding apps. But what if your desk isn't big enough? That's where virtual RAM comes in. It's like temporarily browsing space from your room's shelves to make your desk bigger. Virtual RAM uses a portion of your phone's internal storage as temporary memory to support your physical RAM. This can help improve performance in scenarios like gaming, running multiple apps, or using resource-intensive applications. However, it's important to note that virtual RAM isn't as fast as physical RAM. It relies on storage, which has slower read and write speeds. So here is the question: why should you enable this feature? If you often find your phone lagging or apps crashing, virtual RAM could give your cell phone the extra edge that is needed. It's especially useful for older or budget phones that might struggle to keep up with modern application demands. Plus, enabling it is a straightforward process, so it's worth trying if you are looking for a performance boost. But before I do this, let's just talk about the flip side. Virtual RAM can increase wear and tear on your phone's storage since it's constantly writing and reading data. It means that over time, it could affect your storage's lifespan. Plus, if you already have plenty of physical RAM, the performance difference might be negligible. It's not a magical solution, but rather a helpful tweak for certain users. Alrighty, are you ready to give it a shot? So here is how you can just enable virtual RAM on your cell phone. Go to your phone settings first. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Look for the option called Memory Extension. Select the amount of virtual RAM you'd like to allocate, in this case 8 GB. Your phone will restart to apply the changes. To check if it's been successfully applied, after a restart, you should go to Settings, About Phone, Detailed Info and Specifications, and here it is, guys. 8 GB plus 8 GB, which is 16 GB at the moment. Keep in your mind that memory extension can be a game changer for some, but it's not for everyone. If your phones are struggling, then this tweak might be worth exploring. On the other hand, if your cell phone is already running smoothly, it might not be necessary to enable virtual RAM. The decision is entirely yours, guys. Okay? So let me know in the comment section if you will try this out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video. Subscribe to DexTech Pro YouTube channel.